Wow. Nice! Whoa! Let's get to the video.
Hey everybody, got another solar light. This one has the problem of always staying on. I think we had one before that did this. If I cover up the solar panel, it's supposed to come on, but there's light going in it and it's still on. So yeah, I think the problem with the other one was the solar panel, if I remember correctly. But let's check this one out. We'll check it and just to make sure. I already took the screws out of here, save a little bit of time, because I had to put a battery in it anyway, so pop that out like that. I'm going to take the battery out. It's not a rechargeable battery, but I just threw one in there. Has the same looking chip in there as all the rest of them. This one here is a QXS 521. So it is a different one, because what I have is the YX 8018. So, and I was peeking. You know me, I was peeking. These two chips are pretty much identical, so you can swap them back and forth, depending on the circuitry. So just want to keep that in mind. But let's see if we have the same problem with this one as we did the other one that did this. So I'm going to take out this tiny itty bitty screw. Take the circuit board out. And this one's, and for once, this is not all rusted and red and everything from moisture getting in there. That's a shock, huh? Little tiny circuit board. I'll show you a picture of that up there. Let's desolder the board. And I'm on the ball. Didn't know if I'd use it, but I got my soldering iron plugged in. We're going to pop that positive and negative wire for the solar panel out. All right, let's turn the meter on. We'll check this, see what we get, and this will tell us if the solar panel's bad or not. Let's put it on voltage, right? Because we should get some volts when light hits the solar panel, right? Positive, negative. My negative is my blue. All right, and we got 0 right now, and we got 0 with light shining in it. Yep, so that pretty much tells us, cover this up, it does nothing. There's no change in it at all. So this one is like the other one, or the solar panel's bad. While the other one, I think, was the wire broke off, and I'm sure that's probably maybe what happened on this. But yeah, let's try to get this goop off maybe and see what we can come up with. Let's see the wire coming. Oh, yep. Look at that. Black wire. It's not even connected. Well, I knew it had to be 50-50, the black or the red. So yeah, and of course there's probably just not going to be any way I'm going to get this soldered back on there. I think, well, I tried the other one, if I remember correctly, I tried the other one and it did work. I got it to stay on there with a little bond and everything, but I think I heard quite a while after that it quit working again. And I says, well, just throw it out, because I knew I couldn't get it soldered onto that glass. So I didn't want to take any more time doing that. Yeah, the solder, you can see the solder. The solder is still right on here. I wonder if we connect these back on there, if I can touch it on there enough to get it to work. I'm just soldering the positive and negative back onto the circuit board. For shits and giggles. Alright. Where'd my black one go? I just soldered it on there, right? Yeah. Let's put the battery in. Alright. Can you see the light on? Alright. I'm gonna try to get this to where it'll stay up to where you can see it. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but nothing wrong with playing around trying to find out, right? Maybe the red wires broke off too. I don't know if I'm getting a good connection on there or not. Doesn't look like it. Had enough playing around yet? Me too. All right, well, that's it for this, I guess, because we know I can't solder that back onto the glass, so it would be just buying a new one of these, which nobody would ever do, because these things only cost, what, $1? Depends. All right. Sorry we can't get this one fixed, but at least we know what happened, and we know we can just throw it right in the garbage. Hey, wait a minute. 1 minute. Look at this. After I got done filming all that, I took this thing out of there, and this right here is a film, and I peeled some of the film off. See that light still on? Now watch when I touch the black wire to the metal underneath the film. Look at that. It goes off because now I have light shining on the solar panel, and I got my black wire touching. So that is the problem. So now if you can solder to that on there, you'd be in good shape. I haven't tried it, so
I'll get her done.
It probably won't work. But there we go. It's like soldering to glass. Oops.
Lights on. Message delivered. If you enjoyed this, go ahead, hit subscribe.
We'd love to have you stick around.
There it is. Just barely on there. Now if I flip it over, there it goes. So yeah, if you got patience and you can get that soldered on there good, you can see it works. Ta-da! All right, till the next one.